What's up, you guys? DSGTV here. Oh, yeah, so, yeah, we're watching the second hurricane season animation. And, yeah, it's from, actually a subscriber, here. So, yeah, Diamond Life, Diamond underscore Life, underscore, YouTube, YT. I think it says YouTube. But, yeah. And this was 1950 Atlantic hurricane season animation. He said he actually told me, because I'm gonna kind of out him now, either watch either watch Force 13's 1950 Atlantic hurricane season animation, or watch his. So I'm like, well, watch theirs. And I'm like, you know what? Might as well go ahead and watch his, well, and watch theirs. And I'm like, yeah, we're doing 2 in 1 week. What are you gonna do about it? You gonna cry? You're gonna cry, huh? Yeah, gonna watch it. So let's get into it, and let's keep going through these hurricane seasons because they're freaking amazing. Watch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is Abel so freaking huge? Why? What? Ah, so Abel hit Halifax. Nothing else though. Almost every single time we see a hurricane that hits Haiti. Like, yeah, hurricanes always hit Haiti like really, really bad. And not just I would say not just like hurricanes, also earthquakes hit them really bad too. Ooh. And they hit New Orleans. That's terrible. What is up with the animal names in these in these hurricane seasons? They just couldn't think of a name. We got dog over here. Who was in charge of writing down the names for hurricanes? Because this just seems like they didn't really care about it at all. This was named Easy. The other one's named Dog. Just alright. Yep. And Tampa got hit by Easy. Also, Cuba did too, but yeah. I like the video so far though, it's pretty good. Now let's watch Hurricane George. Ah, we have a new hurricane in the meta. How? Hit Mexico pretty bad. Right there. What are the naming schemes? Item? Yeah, just got hit by Idol. Now that's a name. Hurricane King, that's a name. Okay, wait a minute. It went from a 1 to a 4 over right after leaving Cuba. What? How? Tampa got hit by Love. It's crazy that Tampa just get hit with all of the odd names. Miami got hit with what was it before? Let me actually see, what did Miami get hit with? Miami didn't get hit with Love. King. See, Miami got hit with a regal sounding one, like at the very least, right? It's crazy that it goes back this far, like the actual like record dating for like hurricanes, like a hurricane season, like actually goes back this far though. So it became the first year. So 1950 became the first year that names were used in the Atlantic Ocean. Hurricane Dog was the strongest storm at 145 miles per hour. Okay. Well, that was interesting. That was something I just didn't expect. All right. Kind of interesting, just slightly, but yeah. Pretty good video. You always know link is going to be down in the description for the original video. Go show one of my subscribers some love, and yeah, get them to 1,000. Honestly, yeah. So that way we can keep seeing content, great and amazing content like that. Honestly, so yeah. Talk to you guys in the next video. Also subscribe to the channel. I want to get 2,000 subscribers by my birthday, and also recommend me videos in the comment section down below. Kind of feeling in a Reddit mood. We could maybe get some Reddit YouTubers that post Reddit stuff. We could kind of talk about that, or we can just kind of browse around some Reddits. So yeah. Talk to you guys in the next video, and yeah. Also follow the Twitch. Peace.